We can record.
Selfie.
Gym class makeup.
7:15.
Everybody getting a selfie.
4:19.
Yeah, everybody getting it.
Darren. All right.
I just go and run.
I'm gonna jump.
I'm gonna run. That's big. Okay. It's gonna hurt.
Party in the wild.
Hey! Great. Aw, jeez. That was big. I wonder if I'm even recording right now.
Not gonna lie, I was calling. Freaking nature.
I'm gonna go back to running. You guys take a break if you want. I don't like this bridge. Huh? Running. Running. I love nature! I'm just gonna put music over this. Screw you guys. That's the gay. That was the gayest thing ever. Make a video. Can't see because of the hair. Holy!
What?
That was a giant ass snake. Holy crap.
Where?
Why don't we all kayak this shit?
Okay, we found a road.
Wait, where does this thing go?
I don't really want to explore this road. Walk around in these abandoned things because of ghost trains.
Ghost train. I told you he climbed up there, man.
Look at the snake.
Dude,
I gotta zoom in.
dude, that's so awesome.
How do I zoom in?
Poke him.
Cannot zoom in or out.
Do I poke it with the key?
No, don't touch it. No, do not throw my keys down there.
No, I'm not throwing them. I'm just gonna.
No.
Yo, poke him with a stick.
Leave him alone.
Maybe that's it.
Sunbathing.
Sunbathing. Wait, how does the tide
Dude, could you
get in?
imagine if you were on a fucking boat right there?
I would
A
have.
kayak?
I would have absolutely dumped myself.
Dumped?
Dumped.
Why?
Look at that. Where did it just go? It just disappeared.
It's coming.
It's still going.
That was just bugging me.
There's a bug on me. Look at me.
Oh, that's terrifying. That was a car. We're at Pep Skinny Island.
What is that? An
Yeah.
F-adult?
Yeah.
F-adult?
Yeah, it'll be.
When it's not this high,
Maximum people.
you can walk
15.
all the way down.
Go.
When it's not high, you can walk all the way down.
Oh, it's been up here.
Just kind of chill.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Greg, how'd you win, man?
That ain't me. I don't know what to do with it.
It's a cool little inlet.
The house over there on the river. Just grab it.
I don't know what this is. This is like a motorcycle.
Grab it.
I'm trying to grab it. I just don't want to.
Watch out for the snake.
It's a part of a car.
Nice.
Bumper.
This bumper. Great.
This guy.
Ooh, somebody left their food. Oh no. Look what I found. Bottle. Old bottle. I'm gonna say circa 1980s. Circa. Durka. Wow, that's gonna be cut out. So mispost that. That's gonna be a hell of a drug.
Where do you want to put the waterfall?
Myself.
Yeah, we throwing up signs or throw up signs?
Throw some signs. Pep Skinny Island. Woo.
Yeah,
Alright, look at this recording up here now. Going up here. I don't know if you can see anything.
But you throwing up signs?
Ow, it hurts. I'm gonna record myself going across it too. All this log is moving.
Yeah.
Do I dare?
Bounce.
I'm just gonna come over there. Like, ew.
What?
My toe.
So just go right there.
No,
Go across.
that one's all wiggly.
It's all
You
wiggly.
lunatic?
Hmm?
Lunatic?
Hey, you.
Come on now, folks.
Yeah, I thought I was going in.
I don't want your
What the crap?
photograph.
Wait, how do you even get over here?
Are you lost? Excuse me, just stand right still. Don't move.
Bro. Hold on.
If this tree snaps right now, dude, this is gonna hurt like hell.
We're both effed.
This is actually gonna hurt like hell if this tree breaks.
You're gonna crack your back.
Is it?
My toe.
That was the easiest thing.
Heck yeah.
These are such unathletes.
You're such an unfaggot.
Okay. Ha 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 ha, I can walk in the water.
God damn!
It's cool in here. Probably can't see a damn thing because I'm pointing at the damn ceiling. Oh, it's coming. Am I looking for a plastic water bottle? What am I looking for? I can't do both. I would imagine it's going to be in this hole. Alright. Yeah, okay, I'll just put the flashlight out. Deep it. Freaking rocks, man. It's got hit in the... Look it. You! I know. Now I gotta go barefoot through this crap. Beat the steel. No. No. Ow, my feet. Okay. Oh, so much better. I'm out. Long last.
Why are you doing everything with your
Right there.
I'm right here. See controls. What are you doing, man? Don't put my shoes in the water. I'm dry. You gonna do this? Are you gonna do this?
No.
My shoes. It's kind of cool. Oh my!
Wow. Look at that.
It's full now. It's all good though.
You just put this part in. In the front. There we go with the 90s rap video.